also go back to the billion-dollar voucher program that you have proposed. I could not find a single state that protects LGBT students within the state's voucher anti-discrimination laws. So state dollars flow to private schools. They are allowed to discriminate. I couldn't find any case where that didn't happen. As you were looking at federal dollars under your program going to private schools, will you put in protections of non-discrimination for all students, whether on sexual orientation, race, religion, or gender?
Congresswoman, as I've said before, where federal dollars flow, federal law must be adhered to. And this department has continued to adhere to that and will continue to in the future.
So, to be clear, under your voucher program, no dollars will go to private schools, federal dollars, that do not adhere to non-discrimination policies. Is that correct?
Let me first clarify, the billion-dollar request is not a voucher program. It is a program to allow traditional public schools to move to student-weighted funding formulas so that students can make choices within a district of other traditional public schools for a portion of it. The other portion is to come alongside states that have private school programs and enhance the opportunities.
Let me make this as simple as possible. Where federal dollars are going to private schools through voucher or choice programs, will you guarantee as Secretary of Education that that money is included with non-discrimination policies for those private schools?
As I said, federal dollars.
Is that a yes or a no?
Dollars going to any program require.
So what is your
federal law to be-
interpretation of federal law?
I think I've made this clear.
Then just say yes or no.
Federal dollars going anywhere for education, federal laws are adhered to.
So you would not be able to send federal dollars to a private school that did not adhere to the full panoply of civil rights laws in this country.
Federal law must be
Is that a
followed.
yes or no?
when
Just
federal
say
dollars
yes or
are
no. Yes or no.
Federal law must be followed when federal money is involved. So
Is there some problem? Yes or no? Will you guarantee?
I think I've been clear.
Then say yes or no.
Yes.
Okay, great, thank you. Whoa, wow, took a year. Briefly, I see that
Actually, yeah, I think that's it.
Okay.
I want to recognize the gentlelady,